In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Biscuit Pro, a new stealthy Wi-Fi pen testing tool and Bluetooth reconnaissance tool. We're going to be doing a quick demo of the device, what it's capable of, and also a cool stealthy mod to make it even more covert. One of the standout features for the price point, you get dual ESP32 architecture, so you could scan 2.4, 5 gigahertz, as well as 6 gigahertz networks. If you want to skip the unboxing, the timestamp's below. Now let's talk about some of the specs. The Biscuit Pro is a compact, headless, wireless auditing tool built for high-performance network analysts without the bulk. Powered by a dual ESP32 architecture, it can natively scan 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz networks, including 6 gigahertz networks, giving you visibility into modern infrastructure that most portable tools miss. It's fully app controlled over Bluetooth, so you can run scans, monitor activity, and perform assessments right from your phone, while the device operates quietly in the background. What it does: dual band Wi-Fi scanning and analysis, packet capture and handshake collection, Bluetooth and Bluetooth device discovery, threat detection, including rogue APs and common attack tools, offensive testing features for authorized security assessments, OTA updates, and real-time battery monitoring. Why it stands out: because it supports dual band auditing, the Biscuit Pro is perfect for wardriving, allowing you to map networks and upload results directly to WiGLE. After doing a few tests and uploads myself, this thing does it automatically, and it does it really well. Now, this isn't just a reconnaissance tool. This thing can do some offensive stuff as well. Now, for Wi-Fi offensive tools, you have deauthentication testing with broadcast, targeting, and manual modes. You can attack up to 25 targets simultaneously, custom beacon frame generation with spoofed SSID list, evil portal deployment for captive portal phishing simulations, probe request spoofing, association frame manipulation, and power management frame manipulation. Now, for Bluetooth offensive tools, you have Sour Apple ISO pop-up testing, Swift pair notification testing for Windows, Samsung pairing pop-up testing, Google fast pair testing for Android, multiple platform spam mode cycling all variants, Flipper Zero emulation, AirTag, cloning, and spoofing. I won't be demonstrating the offensive tools in this video, but it's definitely worth checking out. You get a lot of features, especially being able to use all the other bands, the 2.4, the 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz networks. That makes this a lot more lethal than most pen testing tools out there. Also, you can do a really cool mod with this as well. As you see here, you're looking at the Icebreaker Pro. So I ripped out the guts of the Biscuit Pro and I just put it into this case right here. As you see, this is even more covert than it already was. Also, this helps with the cooling because this case is a little bit thinner and less thick. It's able to get a little bit more airflow in the device. To do this, all I used was a double-sided adhesive tape. I put a couple pieces on the battery and the device itself, and it fit really nicely in the case. I just had to put a couple notches for the button so I could push it, and a little notch for the charging for the USB-C port. Just keep in mind, the device is not as protected this way, but it just looks a lot more stealthier, and it's thinner, so it fits in your pockets better. But it is a super easy modification to do. Now, there's a lot of hacking tools out there. This one particularly grabbed my interest because of the price point and the range of Wi-Fi frequencies that you can scan and pen test. This feels like an easier to use Wi-Fi pineapple. In full honesty with this, I did not expect to fall in love with this device the way I did. I have over 900 videos on my channel. I've been testing gadgets for over 2 years now, and it's very rare I get a gadget I'm like, wow, this is so cool. Wow, this works really great. And this one did that to me. And for less than half the price of a Wi-Fi pineapple pager, I can easily recommend this to anybody that wants to get into Wi-Fi pen testing or reconnaissance or wardriving. This device is very beginner friendly. This checks all my boxes, and I'm really excited to see the future of this product and how it advances. Now, while I'm recording this video, these devices are sold out. They did not expect the response that they got when they first launched this product, and I could see why. But the next batch that they're going to make is going to be much bigger, so there'll be more available, and they're looking toward the end of March. Definitely be on the lookout for this thing. This is definitely one of my favorite devices I got this year. Thank you to the team from Biscuit Pro for sending this out to me. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comments. All the links will be in the description. Before we go, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.